What we see in front of us right now is a FlexMag 21,000 7-inch thick shielding option with carbonyl iron loaded in. So you can see we have different permittivity versus frequencies and different permeabilities versus frequency for the performance of this material. So again, we can look at different thicknesses or thinnesses, however you would like to describe that, and load this flexible material with different base materials to try to obtain the right permeability at the frequency range that people need to protect their electronics packages from radio and electromagnetic interference. The flexible materials processing capabilities, it all starts as a powder. We mix in a polymer, mix that together, and then we have our compounds. So we can load 65% of the filler material by unit volume. So we're not having to mix in as much of the binder as other people may need to mix. So that means you get a lot of the material that's doing the functional work as compared to having a lot more filler material in there. And we can customize that as needed. And they're really, really good for RF, EMI, X-ray, gamma ray, and then other frequency dependent applications for EMI and RFI shielding or absorbing. The flexible forming capabilities, we can be shaped and formed as needed per customer requirements. So we can shape it, we can assemble it into different shapes, we can build it into structures, whatever the customer's need may be for making sure they can block those frequencies or absorb those frequencies. But our process is usually calendaring. With the calendaring process, we roll it out into a sheet form. The sheets can be made up to 30.5 inches wide, and the thickness can range from 6.5 up to 78,000 7-inch thick, with tolerances of plus or minus 1.5 thousand 7-inch. So pretty good tolerances. You can get that pretty wide, but we can do kind of everything in the middle also. And then secondary operations, where you get a little bit more of that customization, is going to be with slitting, stamping, adhesives, and laminations.